Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Roomba Q7 Max Plus, and in the right corner, the Eureka E10s. Let's see which one sucks. The best. Cue the intro. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus comes in at a cool $869. That's a lot of dough. You could buy a small island for that price. Okay, maybe just a really nice inflatable raft. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s is priced at $699. That's a $170 difference, folks. With that extra cash, you could probably hire a real person to vacuum for a day. Just saying. Next, let's talk suction power. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus boasts a whopping 4,200 pascals suction. It's like a black hole on wheels, sucking up everything in its path. Meanwhile, the Eureka E10s isn't far behind with 4,000 pascals. It's like the little vacuum that could. Both are great, but if you have a pet that sheds like it's going out of style, that extra 200 pascals might just make a difference. Reviewers agree that the Roomba Q7 Max Plus excels in this category, especially for pet owners. Now, let's discuss self-emptying features. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus can go hands-free for up to 7 weeks with its 2.5L dust bag. That's right, you can forget about it for almost 2 months. Eureka E10s, on the other hand, offers a bagless, self-emptying station that lasts up to 45 days. It's like, choose your fighter. Do you want a long-term relationship with a dust bag? Or are you a commitment phobe who prefers bagless? Also, Eureka saves you up to $70 a year on dust bags. That's like 14 lattes at your favorite coffee shop. Reviewers love the convenience of both, but some prefer the eco-friendly bagless option of the Eureka E10s. Both vacuums come with LiDAR navigation, but let's see who's the smarter bot. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation to create precise maps of your home. It's like having a tiny cartographer in your vacuum. Eureka E10s also uses LiDAR, but throws in PSD technology to ensure it cleans corners and furniture edges better. So if you have a house full of weird nooks and crannies, Eureka might just be your new BFF. Reviewers find both systems highly effective, but some note that the Eureka E10s excels in edge and corner cleaning. Last but not least, let's talk special features. Roomba Q7 Max Plus can vacuum and mop simultaneously, has 30 water flow levels, and an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Eureka E10s, however, has a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo that raises the mop to avoid carpets and has dual brush heads for more power. Plus, it has a full customized app control. It's like having a vacuum assistant in your pocket. You can even set no-go zones and schedule cleaning times. Talk about living in the future. Reviewers appreciate the versatility of both products, but some lean towards the Eureka E10s for its user-friendly app and customizable features. Online reviews for both vacuums are generally positive. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, accurate mapping, and convenience, especially for pet owners. However, some find it a bit pricey and noisy. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s is appreciated for its affordability, eco-friendly self-emptying system, and effective navigation, though it may not be as effective on carpets. Both are seen as great investments for maintaining clean floors. So there you have it, folks. Both the Roomba Q7 Max Plus and Eureka E10s are powerhouses in their own right. If you're looking for a vacuum that can double as a mini black hole, go for the Roomba. But if you want to save a bit of cash and love the idea of a bagless, customizable experience, the Eureka E10s is your guy. What's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.